Hi students, I am Hari Krishnan from Bharathanasam Metric Ag Science School, Arakkonam. In the previous session, we discussed about divisibility test. So, divisibility test, first divisible by 2. So, divisible by 2 means unit place is 0 or even number. Unit place is 0 or even number means then the number is exactly divisible by 2 table. Next one divisible by 3. So, divisible by 3, sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means then the whole number is divisible by 3 table. Next divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means we have to consider last 2 digit. Divisible by 4 means we have to consider last 2 digit. So, last 2 digit means ones place and tens place. We have to consider last 2 digit. So, last 2 digit is divisible by 4 means then the given number is exactly divisible by 4 table. Next one divisible by 5. So, divisible by 5 means unit place is 0 or 5. Unit place is 0 or 5 means then the given number is exactly divisible by 5 table. Next divisible by 6. So, a number is divisible by 6 means a number must be divisible by 2 and 3. Divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So, both condition will be satisfied means then the number is exactly divisible by 6. Next divisible by 8. So, divisible by 8 means last 3 digit. We have to consider last 3 digit. So, last 3 digit means ones place, tens place and 100 place. So, last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is divisible by 8 means then the given number is exactly divisible by 8 table. Next divisible by 9. So, divisible by 3 and divisible by 9 same. Divisible by 3 means sum of the digit divided by 3. So, divisible by 9 means sum of the digit divided by 9. So, sum of the digit divided by 9 is divisible by 9 table. Is divisible by 9 table. Next divisible by 10. So, divisible by 10 means unit place must be 0. Unit place must be 0. Only one possible condition. So, unit place is exactly 0. Exactly 0 means then the number is exactly divisible by 10 table. Next divisible by 11. So, divisible by 11 means the difference between sum of odd places and even places. The difference between sum of odd places and even places 0 or multiples of 11. 0 or multiples of 11. So, multiples of 11 means 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. These are multiples of 11. So, difference is 0 or multiple of 11 means then the number is exactly divisible by 11 table. Next divisible by 12. So, divisible by 12 condition very simple, divisible by 3 and divisible by 4. So, both condition will be satisfied means then the given number is exactly divisible by 12 table. So, these are divisibility tests, the basic rules. So, next we are going to check divisible by 5, divisible by 7 and divisible by 35. Divisible by 5 and divisible by 7, divisible by 35. So, previous factors, multiples and factors. So, multiples and factors means first one multiples. So, multiples of 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are multiples of 2. Next multiples of 5. So, multiples of 5 means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. These are multiples of 5. So, factors. So, factors means listen, example 15. 15 is divisible by 3 table and 5 table. Listen, factors and multiples. Next question number 15. Write all the factors of the following. So, first one 159. So, find the factors of 159. So, listen 159. So, in all the number is divisible by 1 table. So, 1 is a factor of 59. So, first step 1 is a factor of 59. Next one, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. So, itself means as the same number. So, 159 is a factor of itself. So, 159 is divisible by 159 table. Next, we have to check 3 table. 159 3 table. 3 5s are 15, remainder 0. Next bring down this 9. So, 3 table, 3 3s are 9. So, 3 3s are 9, remainder 0. So, 3 is a factor of 159. The quotient value 53. So, 53 is a factor of 159. So, next one more time we have to check 9 table. So, 9 table means the sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. So, 15 is not divisible by 9 table because 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So, 15 is not divisible by 9 table. So factors of 159 equal to factors of 159 is 1, 3, next 53 and 159. So these are the factors of 159. So next one, question number 16. Give an example to show a number divisible by 5 and 7 separately is divisible by 35. So divisible by 5 and divisible by 7. We have to check divisible by 5 and divisible by 7. So I take the number is 70. I take the number is 70. So we have to check first divisible by 5 and divisible by 7. So divisible by 5 condition what? Very good. Unit place is 0 or 5. So here the unit place is 0. So given number is exactly divisible by 5 table. So 70 is divisible by 5. Is divisible by 5 table. So next is 7 table. So 70 means 7 table. 7 tens are 70. So 70 is divisible by 7 table. Is divisible by 7 table. So listen here, here the both conditions satisfied, divisible by 5 and divisible by 7. So two condition satisfied. So hence the given number is exactly divisible by 35 table also. So 35 table, check one time, 35 table 70. So 35 into 2, 35 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 0, 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 70. So 70 minus 70, remainder 0. So divisible by 5 satisfied and divisible by 7 condition also satisfied. Here the both condition will be satisfied. So hence the given number is exactly divisible by 35 table also. So 70 is divisible by 35 table. Is divisible by 35 table. Next one, question number 17. Take two numbers divisible by 15. Will the sum and the difference be also divisible by 15? So listen, we have to take 30 and 45. 30 and 45. The two numbers be 30 and 45. 30 is divisible by 15th table. 15 2s are 30. And then 45. So 45 how many times in 15 table? Right, very good. 3 times. So 15 into 3 we get 45. So 30 and 45 is divisible by 15 table. Next, will their sum? So sum means addition. So sum equal to 30 plus 45. 30 plus 45. So 30 plus 45 equal to we get 75. 75 is divisible by 15th table. How many times? 5 times. Listen, 75 in 15th table. So 15 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2. 1 into 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So 75 minus 75, remainder 0. So 75 is divisible by 15th table. Next one, difference. Difference. So difference means subtraction. So 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30. This is equal to 45 minus 30 equal to 15. So 15 is divisible by 15 table. We know already every number must be divisible by itself. Every number must be divisible by itself. So 15 is divisible by itself. 15 divided by 15 equal to 1. 15 ones are 15. Right? So 15 is divisible by 15th table. So both sum and difference is divisible by 15th table. So in this session we discussed about divisible by 5 and divisible by 7 and divisible by 35 and then divisible by 15. So, in description box we have attached study material, question bank and self assessment. Kindly go through, study well. Thank you.